What's up, investors? It's Mike from MJF Invest. Today's video is going to be about Foresight Autonomous, ticker symbol FRSX. But before I go any further, please hit that like button. It's a young channel. I'm really trying to grow the channel. And an early thumbs up really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also consider subscribing to the channel for future content. I'm really looking to build a nice, positive audience where we could just share ideas, make money together. We're approaching 300 subscribers, so thank you to everybody that's been watching the videos. And let's talk stocks in the comment section. It should also be noted that I'm not a financial advisor, so you should be doing all your own research, and ultimately it is your decision whether you want to buy or sell any of the stocks I talk about on my channel. So yesterday I saw a video from Monster Stock Picks. He's a fellow YouTuber. I really like his channel. If you guys don't watch him, you should go over and check him out. He's looking for growth stocks. He's finding some big runners, so check him out. So anyway, he issued a challenge yesterday to invest $100 and see what we could turn it into in certain tiers. So you know, I watched his videos. I commented. I am officially accepting the challenge. Also, I could make a video, a research video at the same time. So, you know, kill two birds with one stone. So here we are with Foresight Autonomous Holdings. So I invested my $100 and got 72 shares at $1.30 is my average cost. So we're going to go from there. I'll keep you posted how it goes. But I wanted to bring this company to your attention. I mentioned it in a penny stock video yesterday, but I wanted to talk about this company on its own because it has some pretty exciting things going on. It's a pretty cool company. The technology is pretty cool. And I'm starting to think that this actually could be a decent investment. Obviously, there's risk involved. It's a penny stock. You should be looking at this as anything that you invest into this, you know, you should be okay with losing. So keep that in mind. Nothing is a sure thing when it comes to penny stocks. But Foresight Autonomous Holdings is an Israeli-based company that engages in the design, engineering, and commercialization of systems for the advanced driver assistance systems and autonomous, semi-autonomous vehicle market. It develops 3D multi-camera based advanced driver assistance systems for accident prevention and vehicle safety in the automotive industry. Its systems are based on 3D technology, algorithms, and artificial intelligence. There are other companies, there is competition here in this market. It's basically just because I could see 10x potential here. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm hunting for things that I could see 10x potential in. With that being said, also there's risk associated because this is a penny stock. And as we're looking at the financials for the company, you know, the market cap is $48 million and they have $14.5 million cash. So it's a small company. It's fairly new. We're taking a glance at the investor presentation. In Foresight Automotive, advanced safety driver assistance and autonomous driving vision solutions. They have 70 employees with 6 patents. It was founded in 2015. And what basically these sensors do is accident protection. So I think there is room in the market for more than one company. Definitely have some really cool technology. They use 2 synchronized cameras to generate a depth map and provide accurate obstacle detection and classification. The detection of any object, accurate size, location, and distance of the object, and it adds a deep neural networks for object recognition, classification, and objects. The technology provides 3D data for obstacle detection, terrain analysis, and sensor fusion. It generates an accurate depth map, converting to a high-resolution 3D point cloud. It provides rich and accurate per pixel information. And you see they go away from the traditional cameras, which are usually right there, like on the dashboard or on the inside of the car. They're right into the grate of the car. So the markets that Foresight Autonomous is aiming for is passenger vehicles, military vehicles, commercial vehicles, and industrial vehicles. They had a pretty good year in 2020, and this is kind of really what perked my eyes up. This is what got my antenna up, is some of the partnerships and relationships that they're building. In 2020, they had a strategic agreement with FLIR Systems. And FLIR is a great company. I have high hopes for that company as well. And they also are partnered with NVIDIA. So they completed integration of NVIDIA platforms for use in autonomous machines and vehicles, and they continued to sell additional quad-site prototypes. So they got some exciting things going on into the FLIR systems and NVIDIA partnerships, which is really what attracted me. They also have a COVID-19 symptom detection mass screening solution. Its patent was submitted in the United States for systems to detect up to 6 common symptoms for the COVID virus. System leverages thermal cameras, artificial intelligence, and advanced algorithms. It detects symptoms including fever, cough, and signs of fatigue. Combination of Foresight's intellectual property, thermal cameras, and visible light cameras avoids false positives under accelerated development pilot projects. I mean, they're just doing cool stuff, and if this is the kind of world that we're going to be in, these sensors that can detect, in this case it's COVID, but you know, anything that we may face in the future. They've won some awards. They won the Big Innovation Awards in 2020. In 2019, the Innovation Awards honoree in Vehicle Intelligence and Self-Driving Technology category. The Edison Awards Gold winner in the Transportation and Logistics of Autonomous Vehicles category. And in 2018, it won the New Mobility Award Lab 18 Startup Challenge. So have other products here, the iNet Mobile at a glance. This is for cellular-based accident prevention. They have 2 patents with 11 employees, pilot projections in Japan with leading Japanese companies for possible integration into advanced dashboard and cameras. It received a patent application and allowance. The patent technology involves an accident prevention system that predicts collision between vehicles and pedestrians. Signed distribution agreement with Cornice Technologies, a leading Japanese trading house. And they also have the Rail Vision, the obstacle detection and classification systems for the railway industry. That has 65 employees. It was founded in 2016, and it's basically the same. So they got a lot of cool stuff going on for a penny stock. So when you know, Monster Stock Pick announced that challenge or issued that challenge, I thought this was a pretty cool opportunity, or an excuse rather, to invest in a penny stock. Because, you know, again, normally I do not invest in penny stocks often. So, you know, kind of used his challenge as a way, I guess, to, you know, have a little bit of fun. We'll see what we could turn it into. When he issued the challenge, I had mentioned to him that I'm going to issue the same challenge. What we're doing is we're taking $100 and we are, you know, seeing what we could turn it into. You are not allowed to sell anything until you're at 25% gains, and you're not allowed to buy call options. You know, if you're still watching, thank you. Please don't forget to hit that like button, consider subscribing, and let's talk stocks in the comments section.